Now, KapKView First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Kristin Walls.
And if you're just waking up this morning, we have a lot of active weather to get through on this Tuesday. Of course, those rain chances pretty high around our area, even at the lower elevation. So make sure to grab your umbrella, not only this morning, but the rain chances will continue through your afternoon. Winds have been picking up along the foothills of the Blues this morning, but they will start to get a bit stronger for everybody later on this afternoon and this evening as that frontal system gets a little bit closer. And then we are also looking at some mountain flooding. So we still have the flood watch that's in place for the Cascades. That goes through Wednesday morning for some spots. We even have an avalanche warning that is in place through the eastern slopes of the Cascades, and even for Stevens Pass. With a lot of this heavy rainfall on top of some of that snow, we're also going to see those creeks and streams on the rise. So that's something we're going to keep a close eye out on. Skywatch radar, you can see some of those spotty rain showers that are moving through our area this morning. Again, pushing through portions of the Tri-Cities with some light rain showers around Richland. Still dry for the Kennewick area, and along 82 here, drying things out just very briefly from Sela, Yakima, and down into Union Gap. So we will have a little bit of some dry time here or there for today, but we'll continue to see this activity pushing through our area, which is why you want to keep that umbrella nearby. So rain showers through the majority of the Pacific Northwest. Snow levels will be on the rise for today as well. We're seeing those improvements already. We had some snow around Manastash, which is now turning over to some rainfall, no restrictions there. We're seeing those improvements as well for Snoqualmie Pass. Now just looking at some traction tires advised, and they're done doing that avalanche control work for Stevens Pass. But they're now looking at chains required there as that snow that is coming down pretty heavy at times. So again, snow levels will be rising to 5,000 to 6,000 feet today as that warmer air starts to push on in. As a matter of fact, you can see here just continuing to look at that chance for some scattered showers out there, lunchtime, and even as we take you throughout your afternoon. This will start to fill back in just a little bit more overnight tonight and lingering into very early hours on Wednesday morning, at least until 4 a.m. from the Tri-Cities and areas to our east. I think the majority of the day on Wednesday, we are back to a mostly sunny sky by the morning, and even as we take you throughout your afternoon. But of course, as the rainfall totals with this system, we are looking at anywhere between a tenth to a half inch of rainfall. Higher amounts here along the foothills of the Blues and also back through the eastern slopes of the Cascades. Wind will also be another issue for today, picking up this morning for Walla Walla, close to about a 30-mile-per-hour wind, but the majority, at least right now, good to go. These winds will be picking up later on this afternoon and this evening for the majority of our area. Now, because of those downsloping winds for Walla Walla, you're at 54. Much colder, though, for the Tri-Cities, starting off at 38 and 37 back over into Yakima. So there are your high temperatures today. 46 for Yakima with 42 in Ellensburg, 54 in the Tri-Cities with 51 degrees in Prosser, and then 55 this afternoon, Pendleton, and 54 for Walla Walla. So overnight tonight, still going to be a breezy night. Rain chances will continue as well. Numbers should be falling into the upper 40s for the Tri-Cities, 40 for Toppenish, and 38 in Yakima. So after we get through your day Wednesday, still some breezy conditions. Things start to calm down. Sunshine returns. Temperatures back to near average in the low 40s for Thursday and Friday, and a pretty quiet weekend as well with 47 on Sunday. And then your 7-day forecast in Yakima. Also, we're looking at some drier conditions moving in. Sunshine there on Thursday at 42, and keeping those temperatures in the low 40s heading into the weekend.